first bundle of things. Oh, that's actually cute. I like that. It's kind of a crop shirt with an elasticized bottom. Funny thing is, I actually saw a shirt like this in, where was I? It was just recently. Like literally like 2 or 3 days ago. But anyway, I saw, oh, I think maybe it was Old Navy. But anyway, so like this. Super cute. Ooh, there's a sweater. I kind of like that zigzag sweater. It's really soft. It's kind of, I don't know if you can see that, it's really fuzzy, like it was shed, at least until the first time you washed it. But that's super cute. I like that. And then we have a pair of jeans. Just kind of some washed out black jeans. Really stretchy. They have a raw hem. These look like they're going to be straight legs. Yeah, I'm thinking straight legs, not skinny. Maybe even a little kick flare at the bottom there. But we'll try. Oh, this is cute. It's a kind of a rose sweater. And it also looks kind of short. Kind of croppy. I like it. And I like that, not that it is reversible, but I like that reverse print. But it's not reversible because it has a tag on it right there. And then lastly, a moto jacket. Now, funny thing is I actually asked for a moto jacket because I've been looking for a moto jacket. I actually have my mind on, or my eye on another one from Quince. But this is definitely worth trying on. So we'll go ahead and get everything tried on. I probably will just try them on over my regular outfit that I have on today, and we'll go from there. So today's outfit was just like a white turtleneck, short sleeve turtleneck with these blue pants from Banana Republic. Brown belt, brown shoes. So let's see what the fit is like. I think it's cute. It's really soft. It has buttons, so you can button it up. What's it? This is a rose print. It's pretty soft. Actually, this is like an eyelash. I don't know if you can kind of see that, but they call these eyelash sweaters. But yeah, it's cute enough. Oh, no pockets. I'm always reaching for pockets, but no pockets, ma'am. No pockets. Let's do the moto. Go, moto. No more moto. Oh, well, that's cute. Oh, it's stretchy too. It's got some stretch, so that's cool. It feels suede, but of course it's just like a microfiber. It's not a real suede. Not that they don't have real suede items. Let me see what it looks like zipped up. It might be a little small zipped up. Yeah, it's a little tight. Not that I would zip it up much anyway, but it does have pockets. And the way it fits, it almost has a bit of a hourglass look to it. I always, because of this on my arm, this bother, I always roll my sleeves up. So never mind me rolling my sleeves up, but it's cute. I like it. It's very soft. Again, it's stretchy. I like the benefit of the stretching because sometimes when you wear jackets and they're stiff, they get a little uncomfortable to like reach and, you know, raise your arms if you're into raising your arms all the time when you have jackets on. But the fact that it's stretchy makes it like very, very comfortable. Yeah. I like it. This is the next piece. I like this. I like this one. It's cute. Yeah. It's like you can see the dust and the fur like flying around, but I think it's really cute and casual. Very roomy. Oh, I keep reaching for pockets. No pockets on this one. But yeah, I think super cute. I like it. And it's definitely woolen, but it's not too uncomfortable. I don't think so. Wear it open like it's a jacket, or you can close it up like I did. Yeah. So I'm okay with it. All right, and so this is actually the last top. Again, it has stretch. At first I thought maybe it was going to be too small, but it actually is fine. And I mean, it makes sure that it doesn't look too sloppy. It looks the way it's supposed to look. 2 pockets on the front. It's a very, very thin, light material, so you could actually wear this in the summer easy, spring, summer. As you can see, it has kind of a blue and white stripe to it. Would I pop the collar on this one? I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. That one won't stand up. Here, stay up. I don't know. Maybe. You know I'm a collar popper. But that's what it looks like. I'm okay with it. Yeah. Super cute. And I just love that it's nice and light and lightweight and thin. You know, that's a good sign. And I got plenty of room here, so for those of us who kind of spread, who kind of expand a little bit when we sit down, not having things that are still going to give and aren't all tight, because when you expand and you know you have on something tight, then the button starts to gape, and that's not a fly look, you know. So yeah, but I like this. I actually like it. So these are the Kick Flare jeans. So the funny thing about me is that I'm only 5 feet tall, but I have a really short torso and long legs. So that's why it's just like 2 inches between my breasts and basically where my waist is. So these sometimes crop can be a bit of a struggle for me, because since I'm short, they look cropped, but they don't look cropped enough for it to actually look intentional. Sometimes it just looks like, hey, she shrunk her jeans in the washing machine. So I don't know about these. The other thing that happens with me, and I don't know why this is, it's a me thing. It's definitely a me thing, is that sometimes they, instead of it being even like that, whenever there's some kind of flare, it like flares in, if that makes sense. So like all the flares on the inside of the leg, if that makes sense. But these jeans have plenty of stretch. Ooh. Yeah, plenty of stretch. But I don't know how I feel about the fact that all of my flare is here. It has to be something about maybe the way my legs are shaped or something like that, but I'm not a fan of that. If I stand different, no, same thing. So anyway, fun to try, but probably not gonna get these. Yeah, so anyway, that was my Stitch Fix, y'all. So what am I probably gonna keep? The sweater with the zigzags. This one is probably going to be a keeper. And then this top is probably going to be a keeper, because those are the things that immediately, I'm like, I can think of all the things that I can wear with both of these. So everything else will probably go back. Oh, I should have told you the prices. Doobie doobie doo. So the cardigan I just showed you with the zigzag was $88. The cardigan that had the flower print on it was $59. The top, the striped top I just showed you, was $26. That's a really good price. The faux suede jacket, $79. That actually is a good price as well. And then the cropped jeans that I have on are $88. So yeah, cool. That was my Stitch Fix. I hope you have a good time. If you have any comments, suggestions, or you just want to say hello, you know to do it below. But otherwise, I'll see you next time. Bye.